Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook, then click on the three lines on the top right hand side. And you'll have two options on here. So at the top it will give you the option to create a new profile or page, but you can also scroll down and it should see pages there as well, so you can click on that. And then it should say create on the top left, so you can click on there. Once you're on here, you want to select public page. So this will just let you know grow as a business, creator or organization, get advanced professional tools, assign access to others. So you just want to select that, then select next. Then you just need to create a Facebook page name. So obviously it can be anything associated with what your business or brand will be. Then just select next. Then you can search for categories, so obviously something that's associated with your page again. Then just select create. Just wait for it to load. There you go. And you can just read through this information. So just either select promote your products or services, create content, and connect with fans. So obviously select whichever one suits you best, and then select continue. Then you can go through the bio, add a bio obviously, add a website, email, phone number, address, and then you can add hours as well. So you can go through all that and select next. Then you can customize your page, edit an action button, obviously put on profile pictures as well, and a logo. Then you can invite friends. Then there's obviously other settings you can go on here as well, then select done. And there you go, that's how you can set up a Facebook page. Thanks for watching.